Hello all. In this tutorial, we will compare different storage services provided by AWS and by Azure. For easy understanding, we have compared the services around different service areas such as object storage, service description, object storage service for use cases including cloud applications, content distribution, backup, archiving, disaster recovery, and big data analytics. Virtual server disk infrastructure, service description, SSD storage optimized for I/O-intensive read-write operations for use as high-performance Azure Virtual Machine storage. Shared file storage, service description, provides a simple interface to create and configure file systems quickly and share common files. It's shared file storage without the need for a supporting virtual machine and can be used with traditional protocols that access files over a network. Archiving cool storage, service description. Cool storage is a lower cost tier for storing data that is infrequently accessed and long-lived. Archiving cold storage, service description. Archive storage has the lowest storage cost and higher data retrieval costs compared to hot and cool storage. Backup, service description. Backup and archival solutions allow files and folders to be backed up and recovered from the cloud and provide off-site protection against data loss. There are two components of backup: the software service that orchestrates backup retrieval and the underlying backup storage infrastructure. Hybrid storage, service description, integrates on-premises IT environments with cloud storage, automates data management and storage, plus supports disaster recovery. Disaster recovery, service description, automates protection and replication of virtual machines, offers health monitoring, recovery plans and recovery plan testing. Bulk data transfer, service description, a data transport solution that uses secure disks and appliances to transfer large amounts of data, also offers data protection during transit. Petabyte to exabyte scale data transport solution that uses secure data storage devices to transfer large amounts of data into and out of the AWS cloud at lower cost than internet-based transfers. So let's first talk about the first service area, that is, object storage. AWS provides Simple Storage Service S3. Azure provides Azure Storage Block Blob for content, logs, files, standard, hot. Let's talk about the second service area, that is, Virtual Server Disk Infrastructure. AWS provides Elastic Blob Store EBS. Azure provides Azure Storage Disk, Page Blobs for VHDs or other random write type data, Azure Storage Disks, Premium Storage. Let's talk about the third service area, that is shared file storage. AWS provides Elastic File System, Azure provides Azure File Storage, file share between VMs. Let's talk about the fourth service area, that is archiving cool storage. AWS provides S2 IA Glacier. Azure provides Azure Storage Standard Cool. Let's talk about the fifth service area, that is archiving cold storage. AWS provides S3 Glacier. Azure provides Azure Storage Standard Archive. Let's talk about the sixth service area, that is backup. AWS provides no services for now. Azure provides Azure Backup. Let's talk about the seventh service area, that is hybrid storage. AWS provides Storage Gateway. Azure provides Store Simple. Let's talk about the eighth service area, that is disaster recovery. AWS provides no services for now. Azure provides Site Recovery. Let's talk about the ninth service area, that is bulk data transfer. AWS provides AWS Import Export Disk, AWS Import Export Snowball, AWS Snowball Edge, AWS Snowball Mobile. Azure provides Azure Import-Export, Azure Data Box.